Visualizing data effectively is more than just picking vibrant colors. It's about communicating patterns, trends, and insights at a glance. Heat maps are a powerful way to achieve this, allowing users to spot variations across data points with intuitive color gradients. While Power BI has evolved to support advanced visualizations through custom tools and third-party visuals, many users don't realize it's possible to build heat maps natively, without relying on external plugins. Here's what we'll cover in this guide. Native tools to leverage. Matrix visual, the backbone of heatmap-like layouts. Conditional formatting, apply color scales based on value thresholds. DAX measures, customize logic for deeper analysis. Step-by-step walkthrough. Setting up your data model. Choosing the right visual. Applying conditional formatting rules. Troubleshooting common issues, e.g., blank cells or uneven gradients. This is the visualization that you will be able to create after reading this article. Thank you for watching. The link to the article is in the video comment.